Highlights. The move comes just as AMD's Ryzen 5000 series is about to go on sale. Cypress Cove is a 14nm version of Sunny Cove, used for 10th gen CPUs. Intel's integrated GPU will come to desktop CPUs for the first time. Will Intel be able to fend off the resurgent AMD? Intel is hoping to steal some of AMD's Ryzen 5000 series thunder with a few early teasers about its own next-gen CPU architecture, which will be used for the 11th gen Core CPU series, scheduled to launch in Q1 2021. Codenamed Rocket Lake, the 11th gen Core i9, Core i7, Core i5 and Core i3 family will be a major break from Intel's past several generations, all of which have been only iterative refreshes of the 6th gen 14nm Skylake architecture. Intel has had to deal with numerous delays and disappointments in its efforts to develop smaller 10nm CPUs, which has resulted in the unprecedented longevity of 14nm, while AMD has been shipping 7nm chips for over a year now. Rocket Lake will also be a 14nm product line, but the new architecture it will use is codenamed Cypress Cove. This is essentially a 14nm backport of the more modern 10nm Sunny Cove core architecture, which was the foundation of last year's 10th gen Ice Lake laptop CPUs. Rocket Lake will also feature an implementation of Intel's brand new integrated graphics hardware, though it is not clear whether this means Intel will return to offering integrated graphics on all desktop CPUs. Intel touts a double-digit percentage IPC performance improvement compared to the 10th gen, referring to instructions per clock cycle as a measure of efficiency. Graphics power is also said to be 50% higher compared to current offerings. Absolute performance figures and benchmark results are yet to be disclosed. AMD's Ryzen 5000 series, including the top-end 16-core Ryzen 5 5950X, are set to go on sale globally on November 5. Based on the new Zen 3 architecture, these CPUs promise a 19% gen-on-gen IPC rise and up to 26% better performance in games. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.